So, how do you fix your iPhone when a video sound is just not working? You just don't hear anything. Now, it's such a broad topic that it literally depends on where you watch the video, if it's on Instagram, in the Photos app, or whatever. But I'm gonna give you some general tips on what to do. First of all, make sure your iPhone is not in the silent mode. And of course, again, it depends on which phone you have, but the older iPhones have the mute switch, so I would still recommend you to just switch it to the unmuted mode. By this, also, if you have the action button, you might as well just use that to disable it or find it somewhere in the control center. So essentially, make sure your iPhone is on loud. Then naturally, make sure you're not connected to any kind of audio system or service. Like it happened to me multiple different times that I'm connected to a car and I'm trying to play music on my phone and it just doesn't work because it's just going through the speakers of my car or any Bluetooth device. So essentially, what you gotta do is go to the control center and go to the volume slider and slide it up, and also pay attention to the device in here because if you're connected to AirPods, for example, the AirPods are going to be right here. So any music you're playing, you can switch between like different devices. You want to make sure that in case you want to play it through an iPhone, that the iPhone is selected. This is kind of important.